Assalamualaikum. Nama saya Amirul Haziq bin Jeffrey. Nombor matrik saya ialah AE190038 dan hari ini saya akan menerangkan tentang wiring connection pada aktiviti 1 dan aktiviti 2. Pada aktiviti 1, wire positif pada 3 phase power akan pergi ke bridge diode di mana warna merah ini adalah menunjukkan terminal positif dan daripada bridge diode akan pergi ke multimeter. Sini adalah current positif pergi ke current dan output daripada multimeter akan pergi ke impedance load. Dan daripada itu output daripada impedance load akan ada dua. Satu akan pergi ke variable resistor dan satu lagi akan pergi ke oscilloscope. Daripada variable resistor, output daripada variable resistor iaitu negative terminal akan pergi semula kepada 3 phase power.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Aiman Fatina binti Muhammad Kamal. My matrix number is DE20094. I will present to you a simulation for activity 1 and activity 2. Okay, this is activity 1. We have the AC source. This tree is multimeter. This is potentiometer, and then this is resistor, and then this is diode. So when we run it, okay, we can see here, this is to determine the V max. Okay, so this is the V max, 9.9.25 volt. And then here is actually the yellow one is AC waveform. Okay, I'm sorry. Here is actually AC. Okay, we run it back. Still the same, but yeah, we need to put here AC. So this is the half wave rectifier. Okay, here is for V out. We need to take this value, which is 38.35 volt here. And then this is I out. We have to take it in DC, which is 315 milliamps, something like that. And then here is the AC source, which is 70.7 volts. These two need to be in AC form. This one needs to be in DC. On to activity 2. Okay, we start with only one inductor. Okay, here. The green one represents AC waveform. And then here is inductor, which is the value of 50 millihenry, I'm sorry. Okay, moving on to activity 2. Okay, this is the first one. We have to add this inductor, 50 milli. And then the green one represents AC waveform, and then all is just the same like before. So when we run it, okay, we will get this waveform. So let me put it here. Okay, so we stop it. So we need to find the Vmax. Yeah. Okay, the Vmax here is around 99.4 volts. Okay, here for the voltage over here. And then the green one, like I said, AC waveform. And then here is the AC voltage, 70.7 volts. And then this is the V out. which is 38.52. And then here is the I out, current out, which is 313.55 milliamps. Okay. And then we move on to when we add one more inductor here. Okay. As you can see, I add one more inductor here, L2. The value is still the same, which is 50 amp milli. Okay, when we run it, we can see a bit different here. Okay, okay, here we stop it, and then we need to find the Vmax, which is here is around 99.23 volts. Okay, and then the AC waveform is 70.7 volts, and then the V out is like 39.33 volts, and then the current out here is 308.18 milliamp. Okay, moving on to last circuit, which is we add this diode. Everything is still the same. So when we run it, we will get this waveform over here. And then this actually the waveform is similar to the left one waveform here. And then we need to find the Vmax, 99.2 volts. Okay. And then we want to find this value here, which is 70.7 volt. And then the value voltage out for here is 38.4 volts. And then the current out is 350 milliamps. Okay. So that's all from me. Next, my friend will continue this presentation. Thank you very much.
Okey, untuk aktiviti 3, dia sebenarnya sambungan dia sama je dengan aktiviti 1, cuma dia membezakan dia. Aktiviti 3 kita menggunakan 4 diode. Okey, dari AC power kita setkan dia iaitu 100 volt. Okey, dan untuk outload dia kita set 100. Untuk variable resistor dia kita set 1. Okey, untuk kita cari VAC dia, kita dengan menggunakan multimeter. Okey, kita dapat nilai 70.7 volt. Dan untuk Vout dia kita dapat 30.63 volt. Okey, untuk Iout dia kita dapat nilai 625.3 miliampere. Okey, untuk kita lihat graf dia dengan Vmax dia, kita dapat lihat dengan menggunakan oscilloscope. Okey, kat sini kita dapat lihat Vmax dia 98.607 volt. Okey, untuk susunan jika kita berada dalam lab, itu bermula dengan 3-phase power. Itu kita set 100 dan pergi kepada bright diode dan pergi kepada impedance load dan variable resistor dan oscilloscope. Okey, sebenarnya dia sebenarnya sama je dengan susunan untuk aktiviti 1, cuma yang membezakan dia Dari AC power ni kita perlu sambung dengan lagi satu diode. Okey, itu saja untuk aktiviti 3.